Yo, what's going on YouTube? I want to just make a quick short video on updates. I know I haven't posted in a few days, but the content is coming. Just went and picked up a few goodies that's going to be changing on my Mito that I'm going to be installing. But firstly, I want to say thank you to everybody that's been watching my videos. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, that's fine. I appreciate you coming along and just viewing the videos. That is much appreciated. And then I just wanted to cover that some of the stuff that I do on my Mito is probably not only just Mito related. Obviously, if I do installations of a few things, then it's going to be installed on my Mito. So like for example, if I do the lip, then taking off the bumper and stuff like that pertains to my Mito and not every single car. But there is some stuff that I'm going to be doing that pertains to any car, like for example putting in a boost gauge, which is coming. That is going to be, obviously the routing of the pipes are going to be for any car. So yeah, if you feel like that's content that you enjoy, then hit that subscribe button. Also hit that like so that I know that you guys are enjoying the videos. But yeah, short video, just an update. So I'm going to be taking off the front lip again, and I'm going to be wrapping it in a carbon fiber wrap. I'm probably going to be doing the same with the rear diffuser as well. I'm going to be installing a boost gauge as well, so I'll show you guys how to do that. And then as well as the downpipe is going to be wrapped in exhaust heat wrap. I went and got a new heat wrap because the heat wrap that's currently on my downpipe it's fucked. So I went and got the titanium flaked heat wrap. So firstly, I've got the wrap here. This is 4D carbon fiber wrap. It's a bit more expensive than normal carbon fiber, but I honestly don't know exactly what is the difference between the normal carbon wrap and the 4D wrap. The guys that I bought it from also doesn't seem to be knowing as well. I mean, it does look like it has a bit more depth on the carbon look to it, so I would assume that's where the 4D comes in. And then as well, this is a bit thicker than the wrap that I used to use as well. Then this is the exhaust wrap. So this is the titanium wrap. I got 5 meters of that just to redo my downpipe. And then the boost gauge, I haven't opened this guy yet, so I'm going to be doing that on camera for you guys. So apparently this one has 7 lighting modes, so you can change between 7 colors and effects, etc. Obviously you can't see much because it is a smoke gauge. But yeah, this is a fully electronic boost gauge. I did buy some extra pipes and fittings and stuff as well, which I'm not going to show in this video, but when I do an installation then I will show you guys what that looks like if I do use it. But yeah, I mean, these pipes, this pipe is definitely not long enough. I don't know why they give you a 1 meter length of pipe. That's just, yeah, it doesn't make sense. So basically this is the electronic boost pickup. In other words, the boost that comes from the turbo goes into here, and this then translates the information to the gauge. So it's a bit different than the boost gauge that I had before. The boost gauge that I had before was just a T-piece on the turbo, and then it went straight into the gauge. Hopefully this one is better. The other one's light popped within the first week. I mean, that's probably what happens when you buy cheap. I mean, this one was 1,000 rand. No, I'm lying, it was 800 rand. But yeah, you've got all your little cable doodahs. I mean, I would assume this one is for what is this one for? Not sure. Okay, this one is for this guy. Yeah, that goes in over there. Let's quickly go through the manual. I mean, this is supposed to just be an update video. I'm not supposed to keep you guys on here for long. But yeah, okay. So the instructions tells you exactly how to wire it all up. But yeah, that's gonna be the content that's gonna be coming to you guys soon. I would assume I'm gonna be starting on that tomorrow morning. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video just to keep you guys in the loop on what's happening with the Mito. But yeah, I'm gonna be posting the boost gauge, the heat wrap, and then the lip wrap on 3 separate videos, so it doesn't make one long video. But probably I'm gonna be uploading all the videos tomorrow evening, because I'm gonna be tackling everything in one go. But yeah, so tomorrow's boost gauge, downpipe wrap, and then the lip and diffuser carbon wrap as well. But thank you guys for watching, and yeah, tomorrow night expect some video uploads, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks very much. Peace.